Protect your PC and your online accounts with these easy must-do tasks. Protecting your personal data isn't just smart these days, it's a necessity. As the world grows more and more connected, your private info becomes more and more valuable. Whether it's using leaked info from websites, breaches to hack into your other accounts, or holding your personal computer ransom for money, malicious evildoers won't hesitate to ruin your day if it puts profits in their pockets. All is not lost, though. Following some basic security principles can help protect you from most of the attacks you'll find on the World Wide Web. Better yet, these 5 easy security tasks should only take a short while to get set up. Do them now and sleep easier at night. Use a password manager. One of the biggest security risks these days is password reuse. Major websites and services report massive data breaches on a shockingly regular basis. If you're using the same email and password for multiple accounts, and any of these accounts leak, attackers can hack into your other ones using the information. Using strong, unique passwords for every account you own protects against that, but memorizing a different random password for every website you create and account for is next to impossible. That's where password managers come in. These tools can create strong, randomized passwords for you, store the information, and automatically fill in login fields on websites and software alike. Browsers are starting to offer basic password management tools too. They work in a pinch, but aren't good enough overall. Investing in a proper password manager is well worth it, especially because many services offer a free tier. I personally use Dashlane, and I pay for that product. I think it offers excellent password security. I'm not getting paid to endorse their product. Enable two-factor authentication. Most major services now offer a two-factor authentication feature, especially if they handle more sensitive personal data. Turn it on whenever you can. If a hacker does somehow manage to gain access to your login information, 2FA can still save your bacon. Two-factor authentication requires you to confirm your account 2 ways before you're able to log in with something you know and something you have. The something you know is your username and password. The something you have comes courtesy of an authorized tool you have in your possession. Usually 2FA requires you to input a code that's either sent to you via text message or email when you try to log in on a device for the first time, or to grab a code from a supported 2FA app, or connect a security device devoted to account authentication. The exact method varies by service and may offer several 2FA options. Without that code, hackers can't break into your account, even if they have your login information. Some services, including Google accounts, are switching to passwordless passkey authentication that supercharges security without needing 2FA, but that technology is still in its early adoption days. Microsoft and Apple have also committed to adopting passkeys in time. Dashlane can already use that technology and help you sign in easily for any site that uses a passkey. Stay safe with security software. Now that your online accounts are locked down, it's time to turn our attention to security for your personal computer. You don't want malware secretly siphoning off your information while you're banking or browsing your medical history. After all, while ransomware can lock you out of your computer completely until you pay a bounty. That's where security software comes in. Yes, you still want to run antivirus and a firewall even in 2023. Good news, though. The Microsoft Firewall that ships with Windows 10 and Windows 11 gets the job done just fine these days, while the Windows Security tool that comes bundled with the operating system, including antivirus, now offer surprisingly good protection. Better yet, they're enabled by default in Windows 10 and 11 if you aren't running a third-party alternative. You still may want to run paid-for security software, as those suites offer much more than mere antivirus protection these days. You'll also receive tools to protect against malicious ads, more advanced firewalls, family protection for several devices, VPN access, and more. I personally can recommend Avast's products, since I've used them since 2003. Again, I'm not being paid to endorse their product. Don't use a Windows admin account. Don't use a Windows administrator account day to day. Instead, use a secondary standard account. A lot of malware tries to sneak itself onto your system. Only administrator accounts can install software in Windows. If you're using a standard account, you won't be able to allow a rogue program onto your PC accidentally, at least not easily. For the best security, set up your computer with all the software you need using an admin account, but then use a secondary standard account to go about your business in general life. It's very easy to switch over to your administrator account quickly when you need to install something new. And definitely set your friends and family up with standard accounts if you're sharing your computer with others. Back up your data. Backing up your data is an underappreciated but vital aspect of your security toolkit. If a virus does manage to breach your computer's defenses, having a comprehensive backup can help you restore any lost data and potentially help you sidestep ransomware bounties. There's no single way to back up your data. Some people take images of the entire operating system. Others rely on online backup services, and some folks simply drag key files over to external hard drives on a regular basis. Any method works as long as you're doing something. My thanks to Brad Chacos for his excellent article in PCWorld. You'll find his article with a lot more resources at the link listed. Stay safe, stay secure by following these simple steps to make security a reality. I'll see you again soon. Bye-bye, and thanks for watching and listening.